Sorry guys, I may have the hiccups for a little bit, but basically I'm going to show you something with automator again. But this one is really interesting. So with this one, I'm going to show you how to make two versions. I'm going to show you how to make, well, technically three versions, but well, technically four if you want to be technical. It's just two versions, but with each of them having slightly different modifications to them. So the first one is with a document, and the next one's going to be a web browser. I'm going to make the web browser one and also this one just to show you how. So let me just do it real quick. So yeah, so this is the document one. So when you copy what's inside of a text edit file like this one, press copy, and this has to remain open. So if you use this for something like for like text to speech, to save it into a file. So I just copied that. So the first one I have right here is called text to speech, and then the next one is called text to speech del for delete. Don't know which one I'm gonna keep it. I might just keep actually both of them, but you can add these onto your Stream Deck just by adding them, by putting these into your application folder, and then pressing and putting them into the Stream Deck software and adding them that way. I've shown you how to add software to the Stream Deck before, so pretty much that same way, but you add it to the application folder. So when I press this button, it does a couple things in the background, and I'm going to show you how it works. So first, when you click this, you have to make sure you have the document copied, the words you have copied in the inside of the actual document. So if it's a whole bunch of words, you basically put them all in there, copy it all, and then you basically make sure it's in your clipboard. Press this button, and then when it does that, this one is the non-delete one. It will make an IFF file, which is an Apple file format, and then the other one is a M4A, which is a MP3 file. And then the next one, that if you do that, you get two of them, and then you can just so basically you would get an MP3 file. It's normally an M4A file, but with this one it's an MP3 file because of the change I did by following some stuff. And so for this one, so let's just take this and add the trash can. But if you play this one,
basic introduction for /users/artemis/music/audio /users/artemis/desktop/test,
it plays. So now, if you it should still be in your clipboard. So I'm going to show you what the delete one does, or the del. So when you click it, only makes a single file. Because of what this one does, it basically takes file and deletes it. So I'm going to show you how to make the delete version, and also, well, I'm going to show you how to make the delete version and also the regular one. So first, you have to go open a project in automator. So let me click on automator real quick. So you go new automator file, and now you go to application. You can actually run this as a service if you wanted to. I'm running as an application because it's pretty much easier. So first, you have to type in on the search bar. This is the first thing you need. It's called type in. This is just for the actual I'll show you how to make the actual other one first. So, well, I'll show you. I'll make that one next because I haven't actually tested the other version, but I have tested this version. So, get, you type in get, so wait, okay, yeah. So you type in text edit, and it says the first one. So it says get contents of text edit document. So you can either load the file into here if you added load file with actually Finder, or you can just basically copy and paste. I mean, copy here and make sure you have the document open. Next thing you need is another thing, which is text to audio file. This will turn into an AIFF file. So you can pick where this specific one goes. So basically, so with this one, so if you wanted to have it basically not clutter up your desktop, or you want it to basically go to a specific folder, like for example, save in a secondary folder and then go to onto your NAS or something, I recommend just putting it onto this one onto a hidden folder, and then put the other one onto onto your desktop. So this is the one how I would do it, and you press save as. For example, you could type in txt to speech, or whatever. So I'm just gonna type in text to, I mean not, I'm gonna do our first type text to speech. So text to speech, and I'm gonna put a space in there just so there's that, and so that looks like that. And then you can create a folder where this would be temporarily put into. So I'm just gonna leave it on here. I'm gonna edit my final version and put it on here, and plus change this folder. Next thing you need is after you have that, you type in encoder, and now you can type in with the encoder media, you can have it automatically. You actually can feed it a folder, and it will automatically encode those files and put them onto a network attached storage if you wanted to have that on Mac OS, and it'll automatically encode it for you. Just uses the hardware. Here you can do X265 or whatever, but we're not using that one. We're using this one, which is encode to MPEG audio. When you drag and drop that one onto here, and so you can have this save into the same folder, but so for example, I would basically put this, for example, inside of a temp folder on like another drive, and or another folder somewhere. After that, you basically put this onto your desktop or where it's easy for you to access. I would put it there, and then you can transfer it to its final resting place after that, which is either MP3 player, storage drive. So there's that. And now there is one more thing you need, which is it's called Finder. It is rename Finder items at text. So there it is. Rename. So you type in rename. Drag and drop this here. So also I forgot to name for a male voice. Alex is a really clear one I found. They have tons of other ones, but I used the Alex one. So with this, you just go to here and add text. And once you add text, you go to here and change extension. But let me just show you what it does without having this. So I'm just gonna go file, save, and we're gonna just save it as test on the desktop. So there's the test. So how it is now, you basically will get this. When you run it, it'll ask you this. It'll ask you this every time. So there's that. Makes 2 files. And if you look at this one, it is AIFF. And if you look at this one, it's M4A. So there's that. But that's just with that file saved. So I'll move the trash. So now, if you go here, back to here, all back to automator, transfer to here, go here, add text, change this to, sorry, can't really, I actually am sitting farther from screen, add extension, so put this to MP3 because of, you could try other lost files because you can do AAC, ACC, or WAV if you wanted to, but I'm using MP3 because of it's compatible with like a lot of stuff I use, especially my MP3 player. So there's that. So you add MP3, and now you press file save, and I'll show you what it does with that. So if we run the same test, we get 2 files though, and it's AIFF, and now we get an MP3 file, and it's completely playable because if we
Basic introduction for /use
playable. Now trash again, and now if we go to here again to automator, you see where it says delete source file after recording. You may want to do actually this and remix it yourself, or just let automator handle it. So there's that. And for the high quality one, high quality is the best one. And so now you go to file save, and now when we run the automator script again, it will make a single file that's MP3. Sweet. So now we're just gonna change this project because I'm gonna use it as a test. So if we take out that, and then we actually go to what is it called? Let's see. Get CON So get content. Off web pages. So now we just delete this. Now I'm just gonna try this one. So now, because I don't actually know how this would work. So now I'm just gonna open up a web browser, which is this one. Now take this right here, and we should be able to hear it. So after this, and now we take this and throw it in a trash can. So now we're gonna try it. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Oh well. So let's try this. See, internet. Okay, let's see. Let's try that one. So yeah. Okay, we found out one didn't work, so let's try this. Save. You have another option. Okay, let's see, it's saved. Now let's try it. Still didn't work. Okay. I'm just trying this because this is untested, by the way, so. Sorry about the screen size because I actually can't really see from where I'm sitting. Let's see, text from web page, text from article, get specific URL, get image. Well, that doesn't work. Okay. So let's try the articles. Oh, that's the wrong one. Get text from this one, sorry. I wonder if that has something to do with it. Because of, if this doesn't work, I'm going to try that. That didn't work. Let's try this. This is uncharted territory for me. I haven't actually tried this. Yeah, okay. And as we can tell, it doesn't work any other way, so this is mostly only good for if you need text from an actual put in a document, like this one. So, because let's try that. Typing in I'm gonna type I can't spell, but whatever. Okay, so if we do this right, so we just type in this one, we should get a file. And if you listen to it, it should say the apple ate the canary.
The apple ate the canary.
I'm not sure. Okay. I think I can't hear it. I'm sorry if I just blew out your extra eardrums because of I can't hear it. And so this is the one where it's like, okay, thanks for watching. Bye.